Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. So we have been having a fascinating conversation with Perplexity. Maybe you are researching a complex topic or planning a project, or maybe just exploring an idea. You have built up a whole thread of questions and even answers, and you want to come back to it later. So you close the app, or you even switch to another device. But when you come back, it's fully gone. The thread you spent hours building has just vanished. This is one of the most distressing issues Perplexity's users face. But here is the thing, in almost every case, your thread isn't actually lost, it's just somewhere else, or it was never saved in the first place before, or because of how you were using the app. So according to Perplexity's official help center, threads don't just disappear randomly. The company states clearly we do not delete the threads or the threads randomly. However, there are specific situations where the threads are intentionally not saved. For like any long term, and understanding these situations is the key to making sure you never lose your data. So make sure you are fully logged in. This is the most common reason threads don't actually save. The problem is, for example, you come here, you type a question, whatever, but you are not currently logged in. So make sure you log in using your email address and password to make sure everything is saved. Also check if you are in private mode, since if you are in private mode, nothing would be saved. And that's the whole idea. So thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.